Well, we've just cleaned the leather on this suite, and it's a 15-year-old suite. And you'll see the picture. This is how it looked before. And this is how it looks now. We've managed to remove all that dirt and probably makeup or moisturiser that was on the arms. And not only have we deep cleaned this leather, we have applied a product that actually protects the leather, and it will help to keep the leather looking cleaner for longer. And it adds just a tiny little bit of sheen to the leather, so I think you'll agree that looks really nice. Now, if you have a leather sofa that you're struggling to clean, or you're a bit worried about cleaning it yourself, then why not drop me a line, send me some pictures, let me know all about it, and I can work an estimate out for you, and we can get the ball rolling. So there you have it.